Funny stories have always been super popular on YouTube Shorts. Check out this channel, Facts. It was started just 18 months ago and has gathered over 60 million views. The most popular short they have is over 20 million. They aren't the only ones. These channels all did very similar things and got great results as well. The thing I think makes this niche really interesting is that with one AI tool, I think we can greatly improve on what these channels did. If you watch the shorts from Facts, the background footage has absolutely nothing to do with the story. While that used to work, people have seen this, and to succeed, we want to do better. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can create funny story shorts just like the ones that have gone viral for Facts. Then, I'll do one better and show you a single AI tool that will improve the quality and do everything for you. If you're excited to learn this, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To get my story ideas, I'm going to come to Pinterest. There are plenty of ways to do this step, but I've found that this site is kind of a forgotten treasure with the advent of so many fancy AI tools. To start, I'm going to search funny short stories. Now I've got a bunch of these posts with samples. When I find one I think is interesting, I'll click on Visit Site. This will take me to the full story. If you want to, you can use this exact story for your video. The only problem with this is others could do the exact same thing, and all of a sudden, you've got 20 YouTube shorts on the same exact script. Don't believe me? Search 4 people 3 parachutes on YouTube and watch how many similar videos there are. To avoid this, I'm going to copy the story for this and head to ChatGPT. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to take this sample story and create some similar ones for a brand new YouTube Shorts channel. If you want to check out the exact prompt I used, I will leave a link in the description to my AI community where you can grab the prompt document for this video. Once I enter this prompt, ChatGPT will return 5 video scripts. I can look through these and pick my favorite or ask for more. Now, here's where the magic really happens. Facts and channels like it grabbed some random B-roll and added that to the script. We could easily do this by going to Pixabay or another free stock site, but we are going to do better. This is where the one AI tool I mentioned earlier comes into play. We can do everything, including the story, with Short.ai. Click on the link in the description and you'll be put on this home screen. Log in and you'll land on the main dashboard. As you can see, there are several options that you can use with this tool, including fake text and Reddit stories, both of which have viral potential. For this example, we'll go with AI story video though. We could grab the script that we generated in ChatGPT and paste it in the custom script field here, or we could let Short.ai do the work for us. We will click on AI script here at the top, and as you can see, you have a bunch of options for AI scripts. Long-form jokes is the one you want to choose for this type video, but there are a bunch of options here that could generate viral videos. I'll click on Use It. I'm not going to give it a hook or an ending, but I do want to switch the time domain to 30 to 60 seconds before hitting Generate Script. Okay, now that I see what the script is about, I'll write my hook based off of it. For this one, I think the plant that became a tumbleweed works. I'll click Next, and now you have your choice of the style of this video. The only option I wouldn't go with is the dark style, which doesn't really match the humor niche. I will pick the Ghibli style and click Next. Now we can pick out our subtitles style, and there are quite a few options that will allow your video to stand out. Pick one, click Next, and now you'll get to pick your voice and your music. Start by toggling the background music to the on position and make sure the music volume is about 5%. Any higher than that, and it's distracting to the voiceover. Then, listen through the different options and pick the voice and the music that matches the tone and energy you want for your video. I'm going to go with Jerry for my voice and Stomp for the music. When you are done with that, simply click Generate. Now we'll wait just a few minutes and here is what we get.
The plant that became a tumbleweed. In the break room, the smell of coffee mingled with laughter. Greg, the office joker, launched into a long story. So I went to buy a plant for my desk. I name it Fernie Sanders. It needed sunlight and water. Perfect, right? Everyone nodded, curious where this was headed. One day, I forgot to water Fernie. He looked thirsty, so I said, "No worries, Fernie. I just splashed some soda on him." First mistake. The room erupted in giggles. Next, I mistakenly put him in front of the air vent. Fernie then became more of a tumbleweed. Long story short, I turned him into Crunchy Fern. Turns out plant snacks aren't a thing. Just as Greg finished, Karen strolled in with a bewildered look. I thought this was a workplace, not a comedy club.
The best part about this process is you have options as to how you can carve out your own space in the funny stories niche. As long as you bring some originality to your videos, you should see success, as this niche is always popular with viewers. And to make everything as easy as possible, I highly recommend you check out Shorts.ai. This tool is so versatile and can be used to help you start in a wide range of niches, not just the funny stories one we showed today. I'll leave a link in the description to this tool. Before you head out, please like and subscribe. And in the comments down below, tell me a tutorial video you'd like to see. Catch you in the next video.